Today we are going to be making an Afro swing beat. So let's just go right into our DAW. So my guy Mykah just dropped an amazing sample pack. It has lots of amazing melodies, and we're going to be using the melody of that pack. So I'm going to be using this melody called Rose. Let's just go, and it has its construction kit, and also we have bass, we have this. So let's go over and pick the chords. Nice vocal sample. Okay, let's pick the melody already, so I could drag it to whatever tempo. Let me just do it at 100. So let me just drag also the vocals. So with the vocals, we have like a direction. For the Afro swing drums, we just need a very swingy drum. And I think I'll be dropping this pack on the Patreon, so you want to be there. So let's see. Let's go with this. Yeah, so this is basically like your typical bounce for an Afro swing. So just see this point where I'm putting the what is it called? The percussion. That's just basically where should be like your starting point. And I can put this on the channel rack, so you see where it is. I think we have our 4. We have this on our 1, 2, 3, on our 4 and our 3. So then we can have this. Let's put this. I think this percussion is gonna go. Yeah, I'm just gonna make sure my soft clipper is fixed there. Let me add like a hi-hat. Yeah, so you can see I'm just moving things bit by bit. Then we can put the open hat. So I don't want it to be everywhere. So let me cut these and just create an open hat. Right. So I could add like conga. You might say I like conga, man. I love congas. So I'll go down, make it lower. Then I could bring in the drums. So for my kick, I told you guys my favorite kick is in this Mastercraft punchy kick. So I'm gonna layer the kick instead of putting it on the channel rack. I'm just gonna arrange it on the playlist. Yeah, so you can see how punchy the kick is. So let me go back to the pack, because basically I just want to show you guys this pack. And if you're on the Patreon, I'm gonna drop this pack for you guys. So let me add the bass, because for an Afro swing, basically just what you need is just the drums. The drums is what give it the swing. Yeah, so you can see I can just easily make, an Afro swing in less than 10 minutes. So yeah, just drag it. Yeah, the drums is what gives it the swing, man. And we can see. Trust me, once you have a very nice Afro swingy drums, every other melody you put in is gonna fall in place. I'm gonna show an example. Let me just go grab a different loop, right? I'm not even previewing it. I'm just gonna drag this and just put it. And I'm very 100% sure this loop is gonna fit. You can see this just fits the vibe 100. I'm gonna drag another loop. But Afro swing is just a sweet vibe, man. So I'm gonna pick another. Let's pick another one. Let's just pick a random one. Let's go with this. Let's see the stand drums. Yeah, man, so this is just the simple formula of getting that swing in your Afrobeat. First off, start with a very, very nice, not punchy percussion. As you can see, this percussion, this is just amazing. And if you want this, just be in the Patreon. You also have access to this. So let me just solo this. Then the hat again, the hi-hat play. Yeah, you're really getting the swing, So together with that, so you can see it like a more of like a call and response. Like this sound is calling this sound is responding to this sound. Then with open heart. And don't forget this conga. This conga just sweet. That conga. Then for your kick, you can do your kick any way you want. You can make your kick come just once. For example, this. Let me just take this out. Yeah, so you can make your kick, but for me, you can even put your kick more randomly, wherever you want to put it. So we can do this. So yeah, you can just play around with your kick. It all depends on you. For me, kick is just where you want to put it. But once you have that structure right, man, everything falls in place. Then we have a shaker. So the shaker also gives it this movement. And you have an Afro swing, you have the structure, you could then decide to build and build on top. But this is just how you can easily make an Afro swing beat. So I hope you got something from this. I just love showing you guys and making things simple for you guys. And yeah, and just try most times, just manually shift things a little bit in the piano roll. You just make it have that swing. So I hope you got something from this. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on bell notifications so you definitely get notified when next I post. And I'm gonna be dropping a lot of stuff this to wrap up the year on my Patreon. So now is a good time for you to be in the Patreon. A lot of nice one shot, compiled one shot for you guys, a lot of analog lab presets. It's gonna be I'm gonna be dropping it in the Patreon. So now is a good time for you to join the Patreon. The link is gonna be in the description of this video. And yeah, for those of you that love AI and would love to be creative with AI, I'm working on a course, and that course will cover a lot, show you how you could clean up your AI sample, how you could also use your own voice on your AI song, how you could swap the voice to your own voice, how you could make 10 to 20 beats in a day, how you could create amazing visuals for your beats, how you could create amazing visuals for your videos, you know, to put out content. Like a lot is gonna be happening in that course. So I think the course is gonna be out like beginning of January. But yeah, I'm still working on it. But just giving you guys an heads up that you should expect something amazing. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm seeing you guys in the next one. Peace.